Hi there, welcome to another video of Codehunters. In today's video, we will see how we can zip and unzip in UiPath without using any third-party activities. We will be using native UiPath activities for zipping and unzipping the files and folders. So let's begin. So here I have UiPath opened and I have these text files. I want to zip this file in a zip archive. So let's jump into UiPath. Here the zip activities are available in UiPath.system activities package. Search for the zip activity and drag and drop into our workflow. The first property is the compressed file name. So let's go ahead and we'll give this folder path here, and then we'll say text.zip. This will be our zip archive name. And next property is content to zip. We'll be using files. We can click on this folder icon and select all these files. So if you can see, we have selected all the 5 files, and these 5 files are separated with the pipe symbols. So if you want to read it from a folder, you can use a for loop and use a get directory and read one by one, and then concatenate it with the pipe symbol and give the variable name here. It will return you a compressed file info. So we'll press Ctrl K to create a variable, and we'll create a new variable called zip file. And now we can run this. It has completed, and we can see text.zip file, that is a zip archive with all the 5 files inside it. So now if we want to zip up complete folder, then we need to select this folder option here, and then we have to provide the folder path, and we'll give this file name as text2, and we can run this once again. It has created another zip archive with all the files inside this. So it also includes that previously created text.zip. So now we want to extract this text2.zip into a new folder. So for that, we'll create a folder here, and we'll give this a name called unzip, and we want to unzip this zip archive inside this folder. Now we can delete this because we have already compressed these files, and we'll drag and drop the extract and zip files here, and here we need to give the file to extract. The file to extract is so let's copy this path and paste it here, and the destination folder is this one, and we'll give the destination folder here, and extracted content folder. Press Ctrl K and give unzip files, and now we can run it. So here you can see we have a folder called text2. It has been unzipped and all the files are here. So this is how you can zip and unzip in UiPath without using any third-party activities. Hope this helps, and I will see you in the next video.